Akbar's dream. Birbal was not just blessed with a clever mind. He also had a different way of looking at every situation. He had a positive attitude. One morning, Akbar was upset with a dream he had. He sent for many renowned astrologers. When they all reached his palace, he asked them to interpret the dream he had the previous night. I dreamt that all my teeth, except one, had fallen out. What does that mean? The astrologers made some calculations and arrived at a conclusion. All of them were of the opinion that Akbar's relatives would all die before he. Akbar was not happy to hear this. He sent them all away. Birbal saw that Akbar was sad and things were getting worse. He said, "Cheer up, Your Majesty. The dream means that you will live longer than all your relatives." Akbar smiled and nodded. Once again, Birbal had made his day. The tradesman and his servant. One day, two men entered the royal courtroom. One of them said, "Birbal, please help me. My name is Amir. I am a tradesman. I had gone abroad after entrusting my servant with my property. But when I returned, I saw that my servant has stolen all my money and is using my name. He also refuses to recognize me." The second man said, "No, Your Majesty, I am Amir. But this man insists that I am his servant." Birbal said, "I can read your minds." Birbal stood there, looking at the men for a while. Then he ordered the guard, "Off with the thief's head." The guard did not know who the servant was, but he walked towards the men. Just when he neared them, the thief ran to Akbar and begged for mercy. Birbal said, "The thief got scared when I lied that I could read minds." Akbar smiled. Birbal and the flatterer. Birbal and his daughter were in the spice market when a man came to him and said, "Are you the famous Birbal from Akbar's court?" Birbal said, "Yes, I am." The man said, "I have heard great tales about your generosity. I have come all the way from a distant city just to meet you. Throughout my journey, I met people who said you are very kind and fulfill everyone's wish." Birbal understood that the man was flattering him. Birbal said, "I feel great after meeting you, dear gentleman. Will you be going home by the same route? The man replied, Yes, sir. Birbal said, Please tell everyone on your way back that the tales of my generosity are untrue. The man understood that Birbal would not be influenced by his sweet talk. Sometimes people try to fool others with flattery, but Birbal knew how to deal with such people. After listening to the man, Birbal asked him, Have you changed anything in your horse routine or diet recently? The man said, Yes, I have changed the horse trainer. Does your horse like his trainer? Asked Birbal. Yes, he does. He follows all his commands, said the man. Birbal asked, Does the trainer limp? The man's eyes brightened and he replied, Yes, he does. Birbal said, Many a time we try to copy every action of those we admire. Your horse is trying to be like his trainer. The man changed the horse trainer. Soon, his horse stopped limping.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.